Hey everybody around here, thanks a lot for coming to this page, really appreciate it. So I wanted to invite you to download a free ebook, which is a 21 productivity hacks and tips guide that I've written specifically as a result of my journey as an entrepreneur, having started at the beginning of 2017 and having made 6 figures in my first year, had a lot of ups and downs and learned so much along the way, spent a lot of money on my own self-education and so on, and I wanted to share really a lot of tips and tricks with pretty much anybody that comes to this page, okay? Now, by the sheer nature of me doing this video, I kind of go against my philosophy in my business, which is a coaching business where I give personalized coaching and mentorship. Now, what that means is, in my opinion, the internet marketing world is full of BS, okay? There's a lot of generic advice, how to do this, how to do that, and at the end of the day, I'm just gonna tell you right now, it is more often than not, you're getting the wrong advice. You know, they're saying that knowledge is power. If that's true, what's false information, wrong information, or wrong knowledge? That means that you're being made powerless as an entrepreneur, and therefore the success rate of people making money online and actually leveraging this amazing tool called the internet is actually quite limited, and most people don't actually succeed, okay? So my coaching business is focused all around giving personalized direction, personalized approach, personalized guidance according to your circumstances and what's right for you. So I want to create some sort of a freebie that I can give away that does not require me knowing you. I don't care if you're a stay-at-home mom, if you're an existing business owner, if you're wanna be entrepreneur, if you're a college dropout. I actually don't care who you are. There will be benefit you will get out of it, okay? Because at the end of the day, when you look at it, we all have one thing in common, and that's 24 hours in the day, okay? So doesn't matter where you are in life, that's how much time you have. Doesn't matter what stage you're in. And therefore, I wanted to write this guide that gives you a bunch of tips, a bunch of tricks, and so on, which I'm positive there are things that you have not seen before, okay? Some of it you might have heard before in different variations, but it's some unique stuff there which I've written to really give you, a boost in whatever it is you're doing, doesn't matter who you are. Now, in my coaching business, just so you know, I do consulting to individuals, businesses, and companies, no matter what they are, because at the end of the day, the basics of internet marketing, the basics of social media and how to acquire customers and make more money really are all the same, okay? And therefore, I've got clients anywhere from stay-at-home moms to copywriters to Facebook marketing agencies who want to increase their client acquisition, to I've got magician clients who want to get more gigs. I've got art classes who want to book more seminars and more people coming to their seminars to actually do art classes. I've got a chess master who's a master at one-on-one coaching sessions and lessons and so on, but how to take this amazing knowledge that they've acquired over 2 decades and turn it to a digital product. I've got a real estate company that has no idea about email marketing, and we've taken that and got them down to generate sales surely by applying and deploying email marketing into their business, which is something that they have not done before, and so on. So there's so many different companies and industries that I work in that the knowledge of internet marketing and so on applies to pretty much anything, okay? Now, for me to work with you or for you to work with me or anything like that, we gotta get to know each other and so on and really make sure that we're happy to work with each other. So this is not what this video is about. This video is very much just giving you instant value where you can get this guide, this ebook, download it, read it. It's about 20 pages and it gives you practical tips anywhere from different things you could do like instantly to remove distractions from your email inbox, to getting rid of distractions from social media, to getting rid of distractions from ads, anywhere from mindset related things such as who you hang out with and things along these lines. There's 21 tips on different levels and so on, and I'm positive you'll get tremendous value from at least some of those points that I covered in this ebook. So if this is something that interests you and you want to just increase your productivity, I don't care if you end up working with me or not, I just want to give you instant value. Go ahead and click the link below. I will leave also a bit of extra description on what the ebook will cover so you know what you're getting. I deliberately did this because I don't want this to be just another freebie that you just download and forget what it's all about. I want you to actually get it, download it, read it, and take something out of it that's going to increase your productivity today. So go ahead and click the link below, and I'll see you at the other end. Thanks a lot, and we'll speak soon.